Hi guys, also I'm with my family since Saturday in the new house. We have still moving boxes, and in my room I have 13 boxes. And today after school I bought me a new Monster High doll. So I got Lagoona from Great Scarrier Reef, and thanks to a really good friend of me that said where I can buy the dolls, and it's in a mall named Schönhauser Allee Arcaden, and that's a mall, and in the untersten Etage is the Spielzeugladen. It named Spielzeugland. I unbox her now. And I make that off cam. And she's out of the plastic box. And yeah, she's out of the box. And now I make the tail there. Click. I don't know if this is right. Yeah. And here is Lagoona.